What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. And for today's video, we'll be unboxing here this Nintendo Switch. What I got here is the Japan version, but this is also the version 2 or the improved version here. And I purchased it on our nearest retail store here on my location, and I'm trying to check this out because I've heard a lot of good things about the Nintendo Switch, and of course because of its, let's just say, versatility here. So let's just unbox here. So this reminds me actually with the PSP, like the PlayStation Portable. But the good thing about this Nintendo Switch is you can connect it to a TV and play it like a real console. So the good thing here is mobility, and also that you can play it on the big screen. And here we got here the console with the display and also the Joy-Cons. So I like the color of it, like this blue neon and this red neon for its controllers, and I like the design of it actually. And the good thing about this is you can use more than 2 Joy-Cons, so you can purchase more than 2 of this and then pair it with your Nintendo Switch. And that is one of the reason why I purchased this Nintendo Switch, is because you can accommodate more than 2 players here. So here is the console itself, which also have the display part. Let's remove it from its place right now. And as you can see, it's still in plastic. So at the back here, we had the Nintendo Switch logo. And on the front part, first impression here, it's just like a regular tablet. And the bezels are, let's just say, not that great here. Although since this is only for gaming, so why not? And then let's try to check some other accessories here. So we got here, this is the Joy-Con straps. I think we got 2 of them. Alright, and here's the other one. Then I think this is a Joy-Con grip. Yes, this is the Joy-Con grip. Although I like how it's built, this kind of grip. So definitely a good addition here. And then this is the HDMI cable. So this is the one that you use to connect, of course, for your 4K TV or your smart TVs. And then the charger. And this is a USB Type-C, which is actually great. And then lastly, here is the dock. Alright. So here it is. So it is the main gadget that we need to use, of course, to connect it to the TV itself. And it's actually light. I thought it was heavy, but it's definitely light there. Let's open the Joy-Cons. Alright. And the other one, and first impression, it really feels small in my hand. Although I like the texture of it. And let's put it on the console itself. So let's put the other one. Alright. So there we go. Here's this Nintendo Switch, the version 2. So here it is, completely built with Joy-Cons and the display. So first impression here, it's kind of wide and long. So I think this is the biggest handheld like gaming console I've ever had. So I had PSP and Game Boys before, and this is actually much very larger than those two. Although it's not actually that heavy, so it's actually kind of lightweight. So which is actually great. So I tried turning it on. Unfortunately, its battery is totally drained. So I'll be trying to charge it for probably a couple of minutes, and then I'll try to test this out, download some games, and then do some first impressions here. So after charging it for a couple of minutes, so I was able to turn it on and completely set up this Nintendo Switch. So first impression here, for the games, um, actually there's a good selection of games right now that you can purchase on the e-store, or actually purchase on a third-party retailer. And I have just downloaded some few of them. Mostly are they're free-to-play games like this Asphalt 9. Definitely in the future, I'll be trying to check the AAA games like the Zelda and other type of games here. As you can see, the model number here is HAC-001-01, which is actually the version 2. So that verifies that this is a version 2 Nintendo Switch. Normally the original one only have the model number HA0-001. So that is my unboxing video for this Nintendo Switch version 2. So watch out for my next video for the full review. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you soon. Peace out.